With breaking news coming in, former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and former Rajya Sabha MP Sushil Kumar Modi has passed away. Sushil Modi was born on January 5, 1952. He has died at the age of 72. Sushil Kumar Modi was suffering from cancer. Chief Minister of Bihar and former Rajya Sabha MP Sushil Kumar Modi has passed away. He was suffering from cancer and he has died at the age of 72. Our reporter Rohit Singh is joining us live from Patna. Rohit, Sushil Modi was a tall leader from Bihar BJP. He was suffering from cancer for a long time. How big of a loss is it to the BJP in Bihar?
Well, absolutely. It's a tragic news that is coming from Delhi that Sushil Kumar Modi, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, is no more, and he was suffering from cancer for the last almost 6 months. And he was also not very active in politics for the last year or so. And remember, he was one of the tallest leaders of BJP in Bihar and was a strong foundation for the party and the growth of the party in the state, and had a very, very close relationship with the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar also, because from 2005 onwards, whenever Nitish Kumar was the Chief Minister, most of the time Sushil Modi served as his deputy. And he was one of the few leaders from Bihar who had the distinction of being a member of both the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council in Bihar. And also he was a member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha and also MP in the Rajya Sabha. So he had a rare distinction of being part of all the four houses, both in the state and at the center. And it's a big loss for the party.
Well, that's the latest that we are getting. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and former Rajya Sabha MP Sushil Kumar Modi has passed away. He was 72 years of age and he was suffering from cancer for a long time. Sushil Kumar Modi, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and former Rajya Sabha MP.
बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री विजय कुमार सिन्हा जी मौजूद हैं। विजय कुमार सिन्हा जी, सुशील कुमार मोदी को लेकर जो खबर आ रही है उनके निधन की, कितना बड़ा ये नुकसान है बिहार बीजेपी के लिए, क्योंकि आपने उनके साथ बहुत करीबी रूप से काम भी किया है कई वर्षों तक।
लेकिन हम लोग अकस्मात उनके परिवार से उनके लड़के का फोन आया अभी जस्ट कुछ देर पहले। ये बड़ा अपूरणीय क्षति है और ये बिहार के लिए, पार्टी के लिए और विधायिका के लिए, ये उनके लिए भी पूरी अपूरणीय क्षति है, क्योंकि माननीय सुशील मोदी जी वो अनुभव की किताब थे जो हर सदन का अनुभव स्टूडेंट लाइफ, विद्यार्थी परिषद से लेकर के विधायिका, नेता प्रतिपक्ष, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रदेश अध्यक्ष, उप मुख्यमंत्री 3 बार, ये सारे, और हमेशा मोटिवेट करते थे। हमेशा विधायकी कार्य में हम लोग जो अध्यक्ष थे तो हमेशा वो अच्छी चीज को प्रोत्साहित करते थे, सलाह देते थे और सबको लेके चलने की बात करते थे। आज पार्टी के लिए भी और पूरी राजनीतिक, बिहार के राजनीतिक जगत में वो एक ऐसे व्यक्ति थे जो कोई भी व्यक्ति, प्रतिपक्ष भी उनसे सलाह लेता था और पीछे सम्मान करता था। आज उनके पास जो डाटा, आंकड़ा और जो अनुभव था उसके सब कायल थे। कहीं न कहीं बहुत ही दुखद और बहुत ही हम लोग जैसे आदमी के लिए एक अनुभव की किताब के रूप में जो उत्साह वर्धन करते थे, मार्गदर्शन देते थे, आज लग रहा है कि पूरी की पूरी अधूरा, और बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता उनसे जो निकटता महसूस करता था, ये कमी निकट भविष्य में भरपाई नहीं हो पाएगा।
बात करने के लिए शुक्रिया आपका उप मुख्यमंत्री विजय कुमार सिन्हा जी, धन्यवाद।